Ooh, it's hot outside, guys. Oh man. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today we're gonna do an experiment. We're gonna see if we can duplicate some deep red smoke ring using some chuck rolls, and we're gonna do one in the oven and one in the pimples to do a side-by-side comparison, guys. Man, this is gonna be so good. So guys, let me give you a scenario real quick. So you're about to have a backyard barbecue. You got friends and family coming over, but you got no grill whatsoever, no pellet grill, no smoker, no stick burner, not even a gas grill. Guess what you're about to do? You're gonna use that oven inside your house, aren't you? Yes, sir. Now with that oven, you're gonna see if you can produce some great barbecue, and you're gonna see if you can fake that smoke ring just using some simple plain seasoning and the secret agent, which is this celery seed. Yes, sir. Now the guys and research I have done, the barbecue guys that I talked to, they say celery seed enhances that deep red smoke ring. So we're gonna see if we can do that on some chuck rolls, guys, and this is gonna be so good. It's gonna be delicious, and we're gonna see if that actually is true. So y'all stick with me, and I'm gonna see if we can fake some barbecue and help you guys out if you got no grill whatsoever in the backyard of your house, just using that simple plain oven. Alright guys, so let's talk about the seasoning process. We're going to have two chuck rolls that we're going to do. One is going to go in the pit balls, one is just going to go in the oven. And we're going to try to see if we can duplicate the one in the oven with a smoke ring. And I'm talking about a deep red smoke ring. Maybe thin, maybe thick, I'm not sure. We're going to see if this is going to actually come out right. We're going to see if we can fake that barbecue that we're talking about. And to use that special effect, to give you that special ingredient, to give you that red smoke ring that I've been hearing about, is celery seed. This stuff right here is supposed to give you that effect. So we're gonna see if we can fake barbecue using this right here. All right guys, for the binder that I'm gonna use today is gonna be grapeseed oil. I'm just gonna hit it all around both of the chuck rolls, and then we're gonna hit it with that Montreal steak seasoning along with the Untitled Chapter house. And one of these chuck rolls is gonna have the celery seed in order to see if we can duplicate that smoke ring. All right guys, as you can see, we got both of the chuck rolls seasoned up. This is the one we're gonna use in the oven, because this is the one we sprinkle that celery seed on, and this is gonna be the one that we're gonna see if we can duplicate that smoke ring effect using celery seed. So I'm gonna let this both of these chuck rolls sit overnight and let them get nice and cold. All right guys, so we've been letting these two chuck rolls marinate for about 12 plus hours at this point, and then we're just gonna transfer these two to these wire racks right here. All right guys, so let's turn the power on, and we're gonna take it to the smoke setting. And as always, we're gonna open the cooking chamber, and if you have a smokestack, guys, open that as well. All right guys, as soon as you see smoke coming out of the chambers, as always, we're gonna close our lid, and we're gonna crank our temperatures up all the way to 300 degrees. All right guys, it's time to put our chuck rolls into the oven, and while the pit balls is coming up to temp now, I already went and preheated my oven to 300 degrees. So we're about to place this chuck rolls right here into the oven. And I just got it in the middle rack. Okay guys, so we're reading about 320 on our display temperature thermometer, and take a look at this beauty right here. Oh man. And keep in mind guys, this is the one without the celery seed. So we're gonna place this bad boy in here, and then we're gonna place a probe in there just to monitor our temperatures. Just gonna place it right in the center, and I'm gonna use a meat thermometer, or meat probe I should say, so we can monitor the temps. So we're gonna stick it right down the center. And currently we're reading 39 degrees. And we want to shoot for a target temperature of 165, and that's where we're going to wrap it. All right, guys, so let's talk about the step process, what we got going on today. Normally I would do the step process video outside, but it's a little hot. Plus I got the neighbor mowing the lawn, so I didn't want that sound to interfere with what I had to say. So in regards to the step process, we took 2 chuck rolls. One is in the oven right now and one is in the pit balls. And the simple season we used today was that pit balls Dollar Chop House, which is this beauty right here. And as always, that Montreal steak seasoning. This is what I like to use. You can use whatever you like. And one of the chuck rolls that went inside the oven has the celery seed. That's going to be the secret agent to see if we can duplicate that smoke ring effect on that chuck roll. So we're cooking it at 300 degrees on each, the oven and the pit balls, and we're cooking it to 165. So we're going to wrap it, and then we're going to treat it just like a brisket. We're going to add a little bit of beef broth to help it tenderize and finish cooking the process. And we're going to slice into it to see if we get that smoke ring effect on that particular chuck roll. Man, it's going to be so good. Can't wait for the taste test, because as I always state, that is the best part of the entire video. Y'all stay tuned, and we're going to finish this up real quick. All right, guys, so we've been cooking for about 1.5 hours, 2 hours at this point, and of course that's the oven, so we're still maintaining 300 degrees. So let's take a look at our bad boy right here. Oh my God, this smells so good. The aroma is beautiful. Wow. All right, guys, let me do a little probe test to see what our temperatures are on this. All right, so I'm going to use my trusty probe right here, and I'm going to stick it right down the middle. And as you can see, we're at 140, 138, 140, and that's not bad, because our chuck rolls in the pit bulls is reading about 138. So I'm going to insert a picture on the upper left right here, and you're going to see the side-by-side comparison. So let me stick this back over here so we can get a side-by-side comparison. All right, 140, guys. Let's take a look, and just to show you, we are at 140 on the probe thermometer. Let's take a look. Oh yeah! Look at that, guys. Look at that! Wow! All right, so we don't have too much longer to go with this, guys. I'm gonna let this go, and then we're gonna wrap it at 165. All right, folks, we have reached 165, which is that time to wrap this chuck rolls up. Take a look at that, guys. Oh yeah. Oh man, take a look at that bark right here, guys. Look at that. Look, nothing's coming off. Scratching it, nothing's coming off. That means that bark is set. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take this off, take it to the kitchen, and we're gonna show you the wrapping process. Alright, so as you can see, we got both of the chuck rolls out. One came out to be 165 and the other one came out to be 169 internal temperature. So it's perfect timing to wrap these bad boys up. So the wrapping process is very simple, guys. We're going to treat them with some love, just like we do our brisket. So we're going to hit a bit with a little bit of beef stock. I don't have any beef broth at this point, so beef stock will just have to do, and it's really just perfect for it. And then we're going to hit them, this is optional, guys. So we're going to hit them with a little bit of parquet, and that's going to be our golden buttered love that we're going to treat these babies just right. And then we're going to hit them with a little bit more seasoning on that Montreal steak seasoning, guys. And for this one, which is in particular, because we're trying to duplicate that smoke ring effect, we're going to add a little bit more of that celery seed. So this is a simple wrapping process, guys. Alright, so we're still reading at 165, and as you can see, I already changed the setting to the 205 mark that we're trying to achieve, and we're going to let this go until that reaches that internal temperature of 205. We're at 207 at this point, and actually just rose to 208, so I'm going to take the chuck rolls out, and just to make sure we are at that temperature, we're going to check for tenderness and doneness. Alright guys, as always, make sure you be careful when you open this pouch. Ooh, that's hot. Alright guys, I peeled the foil back, and now let's do the tenderness test. Let's see if it's ready. Oh yeah, take a look at that. Just like butter. Oh man. No resistance whatsoever. Alright guys, let's check on the other ones, and we're going to let them rest for about a good hour or so before we slice into them. So let's check on this one, guys, and see what she looks like. So let's give it a little 10-less check. Oh yeah. Yep. This one is done as well, guys. So time to let this rest for about a good hour or so, and we're gonna come back to it and do the best part of the video, which is the taste test. All right, guys, it's been about an hour and a half at this point, and these chuck rolls should be nice and tender. All right, guys, let's slice into it in the middle, and we're gonna see if we get that deep red smoke ring. There it is, guys. To be honest, the whole thing is red, just like roast beef. Nice and tender. Wow. Let's take a look at the other one. This is the one we cooked on the pit balls. And as you can see, there's a deeper smoke ring from the smoke flavor. But as you can tell, they are both red on the inside. So here's a better look, side by side. Although this is a little bit darker, this is a little bit more milder. So, but look at both of these, just oozing with juices. Wow.
You didn't have it going that way last time.
You know I'm filming. That's gonna be in the video now.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
That's gonna be in the video.
No, don't.
Yes, it is. She knows I'm filming, but yet she has to say what she gotta say. And my sister's here bothering me for the taste test.
I didn't snatch nothing out your hand yet. Yeah.
Any fellow YouTubers, I hope you don't have to go through this, what I'm going through. Anyway, let's get back to the video, which is the best part of the taste test. All right, here it is. This is the one that was made in the pit balls. I just cut a little slice off. This is really good. As I always say, the Montreal steak seasoning with the pit balls Java Chop House. Definitely shine. I gotta get another bite. Definitely shine through though. Wow. Packed with flavor, moist, very tender. It's melting in your mouth, just like butter. Wow. And this is the one that we made in the oven. And I'm just gonna cut a slice of it. This is the one with the celery seed. Another chocolate packed with flavor, but the celery seed does come through, and you could definitely taste the celery seed a little bit more. That's because we sprinkled that celery seed on it, trying to replicate the fake barbecue smoke ring. So there you have it, guys. Now, would you consider this a success? Comment down below. In my opinion, you could almost fake a smoke ring using celery seed, producing that smoke ring effect. However, as you can see right here, guys, it's not much, but it's almost there. So if you like barbecuing and grilling, this is your channel right here. Make sure you share this video with all your family and friends. And until next week, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.